Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1099 for a contractor. First, you need to correctly identify if your worker is truly an independent contractor versus an employee. If you pay an individual over $600 for services in a business context, you'll likely need to issue a Form 1099 NEC. It's crucial to obtain a completed Form W-9 from each contractor before you make any payments to them. This form provides all the necessary tax identification details. Once you have the Form W-9, double-check that you have the contractor's full legal name, current address, and their correct taxpayer identification number, which could be a Social Security number or an employer identification number. For payments made for services, you will use Form 1099 NEC, specifically for non-employee compensation. Remember, there are various other Form 1099 types for different income categories, so ensure you select the correct one for your specific situation. Now it's time to complete Form 1099 NEC. Carefully enter the contractor's details and the total amount you paid them for services during the year. Accuracy is key to avoid issues. You must send copy B of Form 1099 NEC directly to your contractor by January 31. Simultaneously, you need to file copy of the same form with the IRS. This can be done electronically or by mail, ensuring both parties receive their copies promptly. Meeting the deadlines is extremely important when filing Form 1099 NEC. Both the deadline for sending copy B to your contractors and filing copy with the IRS is January 31. Missing these dates or submitting incorrect information can lead to significant penalties. These penalties can range from $60 to $630 per form, depending on how late you are and the nature of the error. Always aim to file early to avoid any last-minute complications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.